Live from the Grove, Coconut Grove, America, Miami-Dade County. You hear we're going.
Yes, see. We're about to start the Ital is Vital, you know, cooking show. Remember. It's a kind of Caribbean soup, but you know, as being Rasta, we do it like only vegan ingredients, you know, no animal products. This is some more solid and something more wholesome, you know. So when you eat this, you stay filled for a longer time because it's more nutritious, you know, it's more wholesome, you know, your body don't really break this down like something that's processed, you know. These foods, you know, planted is formed in the tropical climate, you know, you can see like from Africa to the Caribbean to certain parts of Central America and South America.
It's just really like warm in your soul, it feels good, it tastes good, it's really filling, and it's healthy.
You know, it's full of carotene. Anything that is yellow color, got carotene, you know. And carotene is good for like fighting against free radical, you know.
Yeah, nah, but I'm a free radical. I'm free and I'm radical, shit.
Yeah, the bad free radical, not a good one. Definitely. When you're done this year, you know, not just get the balance, you know.
When you find all your troubles are over, you see, yeah.
Even salt is very is a very important ingredient when cooking your food, you know, because that type of table salt they sell is actually very dangerous, you know.
Like the world is closing on you, and all your kids depending on you, then you start think what else you going to do. Seek you find the kingdom of a child.